Attempt number 2 for the video. 469 Slippery Rock Way for the O'Neills. My last video, which I will include on here. Did get cut a little short. Didn't realize it stopped when the foam fell when I was hammering. So we're going to do this again now on the front side. And the last one was on the back and it showed that it had failed. This is our shingle that we're going to replace right here. When creased, surrounding shingles. Don't have any other damages to show them. So we're going to see what happens when we remove and replace the shingle. I am by myself, so have a little grace for me. It's not exactly the easiest thing to do, record yourself on a roof. Again, why I am now doing a video number 2. So here, let's do this thing. Let's see, that looks pretty good.